Welcome student. Previously we come to know about Andrews experiment for liquefaction of gas. Now we have to see what is meant by critical temperature, critical pressure, critical volume, critical isotherm as well as coexistence curve or coexistence curve. Such a different definitions may be asked in examination. Now you know, in the liquefaction of carbon dioxide, if we plot a graph of volume versus pressure, then Andrew observed that at 0 degrees Celsius, as the pressure increases, volume decreases, and liquefaction of CO2 begins at point B, and after point B there is sudden fall in the volume at a constant pressure up to C, and along this curve BC there is equilibrium between gaseous carbon dioxide and liquid carbon dioxide. That's why in this dome shape, this curve BC represents the coexistence curve. In the same fashion, for same carbon dioxide, if temperature is 21 degrees Celsius, again as the pressure increases, volume decreases up to point X, and at point X liquefaction of CO2 begins, and again there is equilibrium between liquid carbon dioxide and gaseous carbon dioxide along this curve from X to Y, and beyond Y again there is a liquid. Means in this way this dome shape curve is obtained. This is dome shape curve, and at 31.1 degrees Celsius for same carbon dioxide there is a point F. We called it as a critical point. Since all these are the isotherms, we studied all these are the isotherms. Why these are the isotherms? Because all these curves are plotted at constant temperature, that's why these are the isotherm. And for this isotherm 31.1 degrees Celsius is a critical temperature. Why this is critical temperature? Because above this temperature the liquefaction of gas is not possible. Such a temperature is called as a critical temperature, and 31.1 degrees Celsius is the critical temperature for CO2 gas, and this is critical point F. Okay, now this critical point F is observed along this curve. That's why this curve is called as a critical isotherm. Means critical isotherm can be defined as, what we can say, the critical isotherm is a isotherm on which the critical point on the isotherm is observed. Such a isotherm is called as critical isotherm. Now what is meant by critical temperature? The temperature above which the gas cannot be liquefied, no matter how much pressure may be applied, is called as a critical temperature, that is TC. Okay, now for CO2 what is the value of TC? 31.1 degrees Celsius. Now critical pressure, that is PC. Critical pressure can be defined as, it is the pressure at which, what we can say, the liquefaction of gas at a constant temperature is called as a critical pressure. The pressure which is required for the liquefaction of gas at a constant temperature is called as a critical pressure. Now what is critical volume VC? Critical volume VC can be defined as, it is the volume required for the liquefaction of gas at a constant temperature is called as a critical volume, that is Vc. Again, you know what is critical isotherm? Critical isotherm can be defined as the isotherm on which the critical point is located or observed is called as a critical isotherm. And what is meant by coexistence curve? The curve like BC or XY along which there is equilibrium between gaseous phase and liquid phase. Such a curves BC and XY are called as a coexistence curve. Now, if we take example of CO2, such a dome shaped curve is observed. This is dome shaped curve. Okay. Now, if we take example of helium gas, then the dome shaped curve below this CO2 gas is observed. Okay, means the dome shaped curve observed for helium is below the dome shaped curve of CO2 gas, and it will be observed at a temperature of minus 268 degrees Celsius. Means for helium the dome shaped curve is observed at minus 268 degrees Celsius, but it will be observed below the dome shaped curve of this CO2 gas, means below this dome shaped curve for He or helium. Now if we take example of chlorine, again such a dome shaped curve is observed, but this dome shaped curve for chlorine is observed at a temperature of 144 degrees Celsius, and it will be observed below this above this dome shaped curve of carbon dioxide. Are you getting clear? Means if we show this curve for Cl2 gas, then this curve will be above this. Okay, it will be above this, and the temperature is 144 degrees Celsius. And if we show the dome shaped curve for helium, it will be below this same curve, only below this. In this way it is for helium, but temperature is different, minus 268 degrees for helium, and for Cl2 it will be 144, but above this dome shape. Now this, what is this curve? This curve shows that below 31.1 degrees Celsius, which is critical temperature of CO2 gas, if we increase the temperature, liquefaction of gas is not possible. Now again, we may say that if suppose this is curve, this curve is suppose KFL. Okay, now if suppose we consider this curve, to the RHS of this curve, means here their CO2 is in gaseous phase, we shown it. Okay, here CO2 is in gaseous phase. Now below this curve KFL, means here CO2 is in liquid state. Means you know the significance of all curves. If you know the significance of curve, then we are able to explain critical temperature, critical pressure, critical volume, critical isotherm, and coexistence curve. Okay, this is critical temperature. What is critical temperature? Above which the liquefaction of gas is not possible. What is critical pressure? Pressure required at a constant temperature for the liquefaction of gas is a critical pressure. It is denoted by Pc. What is critical volume? Volume required for the liquefaction of gas at a constant temperature. It is critical volume. What is critical isotherm? The isotherm on which critical point is observed. This is critical point. are located, such a curve is critical isotherm. What is coexistence curve? The curve for the liquefaction of gas, but the curve on which there is a equilibrium between gaseous phase and liquid phase. Such a curve is BC. Here from B, liquefaction of carbon dioxide begins up to C. Beyond C there is liquid, but along this BC there is a equilibrium between gaseous carbon dioxide and liquid carbon dioxide. That's why BC is a which curve? Coexistence curve. Again, but this coexistence curve at 0 degree Celsius. Now here at 21 degree Celsius, which is coexistence curve? XY. Why? Because at 21 degree Celsius, if the temperature is 21 degree Celsius, which is a constant, pressure increases, volume decreases up to X. At 21 degree Celsius, at X, liquefaction of CO2 begins up to Y. And beyond Y, there is only liquid CO2. There is appreciably very small change in the volume and sudden increase in the pressure. But this XY curve, along which there is equilibrium between CO2 gas and CO2 in liquid phase, that's why this XY is also coexistence curve. Means after Andrews experiment, you know how liquefaction of gas is possible. We have to see the conditions for pressure, volume, temperature. After this, you must know critical temperature, critical pressure, critical volume, then critical isotherm, then coexistence curve. Then you must know if helium gas is allowed to liquefy, it will be liquefied at minus 268 degrees Celsius. But the dome shape observed for helium is below this dome shape of CO2. And for chlorine, dome shape at 144 degrees Celsius, but above for CO2, this one. Okay. Now, after this, you must know how these PC, VC, TC are correlated to each other. And for this, we have to see van der Waals equation of state. Now, initially, in the beginning of this unit, we come to know about kinetic theory of postulates. Then further, we come to know about ideal gas equation. Then we come to know about the, one can say, the modified ideal gas equation, that is van der Waals equation. Okay. After that, we come to know about the volume correction, pressure correction. Okay. Later on, we come to know about the Andrews experiment, then PC, VC, TC definitions, then simple isotherm. Isotherms are observed. These are the isotherms. Why isotherms? These curves are plotted at constant temperature. Okay. Now, in the next period, we will see the van der Waals equation of state. Now, before this, study all these points in detail.